everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to get the explosion filter on Instagram. This is quite simple. You just need to search for this effect or for this filter. And now let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to head over to Instagram and now tap on the story, your story, so we can add a story. And here, when you tap to add a story, tap on camera, by the way. And here in camera, please scroll, please scroll actually, scroll left. And here, the most left you scroll, you'll get to this at the end of those what you see like effects. You'll have a searching icon. I don't know what it's called, but it looks like a searching icon. So please now tap on the searching icon, and here you can see all the effects. And here in effect gallery, please tap on this icon, and here please select explosion. Okay, explosion, and here, where is it? Is this one? I think this is the effect that you see. You probably, the first time you saw this effect was on TikTok. It's pretty trendy, or it's very used, this effect right now. I don't know if it's used in your country, but here it is. So this is the effect. Now please select the effect and tap on try it. Now obviously you can try the effect. You can record and then save your effect, your story. So that's the video. Hopefully you found this video helpful and helped you. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Take care.